$159 from Camping World, and it looks like it requires 1, 2, 3, possibly 4 locks. I can't see the other side. That's crazy, and that's not even including shipping. All right, let's check Amazon. All right, so here on Amazon, it looks like it's the same one from Camping World, and it says $176. So that one's more expensive than the one from Camping World. That's just ridiculous. All right, I also found these lockable straps for $99 for that set, which are basically the same as this set for $54. But once again, they're material and they are straps, so anybody can cut them. Sorry about that video quality right there, but yeah, so I think we could do better. Let's keep looking. All right, last but not least, because I'm done looking, this one's $149 for a single battery shackles, what they're calling them, and that one still takes 3 locks. So yeah, not gonna work for this guy. And when you live in the middle of nowhere, the only place to go is Ace. So I'm out of here. I'm going to go hit Ace, and I think we could do better. Yeah, so here at Ace, we got $12.99 for a 6-foot strip. So I'm going to go ahead and get me 2 of those. And that should be able to wrap all the way around the battery. I don't think 3 feet will do it. Probably will, but I'll get an extra one just in case, and we'll see how much we use. And there they are right there. We'll get one of those for $379. It's got 2 hinges in it, zinc plated, and then we'll rivet them on. So my idea here is to go ahead and use this recess and just put a belly strap around it, something that's hinged, so I can get it on, put 1 padlock either on this side or that side, and use this recess so it doesn't bounce around or move around. When you have a double batteries, by the time the other one gets in there, it won't slide right or left. It'll be tight right or left. I just need to make sure that it's strapped down. And you know, with the plastic straps or the ones that are made out of material, somebody will cut them. I mean, if you really wanted, you could break this one off too, if given enough time. If somebody's really gonna come for these batteries, they're gonna go whatever extent to get the batteries. This is a deterrent, but we're gonna go ahead and work on the straps, and I'll show you guys how we make them. So this is basically what we come up with, and then you're gonna wanna make sure that they fit snugly to each box you put on. What me and my buddy just found is that I bought 2 different black battery boxes, and one slightly a different size than the other. So, but the concept's the same. It's just folding a square or bending a square out of your metal, and then cutting it so you can put a hinge set in. And to cut it, all we did was use a grinder with a cutoff wheel, or you can use a hacksaw, whatever you need to cut it. And you can use a rat tail file or any type of file, flat file, just to get rid of the burrs. I'll probably round my edges over just so they don't ever cut nobody or anything in the future. But these are zinc, so they should last for quite a long time. And like I said, they're $12. We used hinge set with rivets to rivet together so it won't come apart, and you can't cut that. Unlike a strap, it ain't getting cut. And they're pretty snug once they go on with the locks. They keep the batteries from bouncing around, but it's more of a deterrent than anything else. The rivets and all this stuff can be bought at Ace Hardware or any local hardware store. We're in the middle of nowhere, so we got Ace. But you don't need a welder to do any of this. All you need is somebody strong or some type of vise to help you bend the metal, because the metal's pretty tough. But you want something that's not easily cut. So because I keep my Coleman over here at a storage unit, because we have so many vehicles at my house and I have no room, I'm just going to show you an easy way to bend this if you don't have a vise. You get one person to stand on a board and another person to come over here and bend it up, just like so. So basically you can get your bends real easy. And if you need help, use old trusty sledgehammer here and whack on it to get a nice square, clean, sharp corner. So if you guys are buying the double battery set, make sure you buy batteries with handles. There's no joke trying to get these things out of these plastic bends when they're down inside here and on your motorhome. That handle's a lifesaver. So if you can, always get that with the handle. So now we're down to 2 locks, and I got this double pack at Ross for $4.99. So that's a great deal. You can't beat that. And remember, it's just about deterrence, because if anybody really wanted in these things, they'd get into them and get your batteries out if they had enough time. So can't beat the deal. And instead of having 3 or 4 locks, like I said, we're down to 2. All right, so they're both on. As you can see, nice and tight. You can't move it. You can't get it up over that little recess right there. But it's starting to rain hard. I'm going to call this project done. We got them done for about 13, 14 bucks a pop. Saved us a whole bunch of money. It did take 2 sticks. By 3 inches, we were short to do it out of 1 stick. So it's going to take 2 $12.99 sticks from Ace, a couple padlocks, some rivets, a couple of hinges. The hinges were like 3 bucks. So pretty good deal. Can't beat it. All right, till next time, guys. Have a good one.